everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video I'm going to be unboxing my October Lola box. I'm very worried to open this box because I did watch another YouTuber's video on this. I watched EBates. If you're not familiar with EBates, she is a YouTuber who does a lot of unboxings. I saw her unboxing on this and she had a broken item. And as I read through the comments, it said that pretty much everyone had a broken item. So I'm very concerned to open this up. So let's go. All right. Here we go. There's the card. I'm going to pull out the card, and I don't know how much the camera will pick up, but there seems to be pink powder all over the items in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the one item out that's probably broken and get some tissues. All right, so before I start pulling everything out, the theme this month is Autumn is Golden, and there's the card. And it has a list of all the items on the back. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. I believe it's this item from Bang Beauty, if I remember correctly, that's broken. It is covered in pink powder. Like, the entire box is just covered in pink powder. So I'm pretty sure this is broken. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna like sort of dump this out on my tissue here, and it is everywhere. Like, the entire inside of the box is full of powder. Yeah. I don't know how well this is going to pick up without getting it everywhere, but there it is. Like I said, I dumped it out of the box. I don't even know that there's any left in the packaging, but I'm going to try to get it open and see. Ha! There it is. I'm not going to bring it over closer to the camera because it's just everywhere. And this is the second blush I had broken today. I just got back from my trip last week, and the blush that one of the blushes that I brought with me also broke. But it was already cracked. Like, I knew it was just a matter of time till that one broke. So yeah, yeah, I'm gonna have to contact Lola. Apparently everyone's blush was broken, like everybody's. I don't know that there's a single person who did an unboxing for Lola this month that didn't have a broken blush. So there's that. All right, I'm gonna get a makeup wipe. I will be right back. 1 second. All right, I'm just gonna place this mess aside, and I will figure out what to do with that after I email Lola. So that's fun. I always love broken products in my boxes. And I'm keeping this makeup wipe close at hand because everything in here has powder all over it. I'm going to go ahead and read to you from the card what it says about the Bang Beauty blush that is no good. Alright, so this says the Bang Beauty Cheeky Blush or Dolly Blush. This was in Dolly. This pressed powder blush delivers a soft, lightweight layer of sheer silky color that glides on easily, blends effortlessly, and creates a radiant glow. The formula is richly pigmented and lasts for hours, all while being 100% cruelty-free. So there you go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull the next item out of here, which is this right here. Yeah, I'm going to clean that up a little bit. All right, so this isn't quite right. Here, I'm going to show it to you. This is from Yogurt. I've gotten actually this specific product before. I said yogurt, didn't I? This is Hairgurt is what it's called. I think I said yogurt. So this is Hairgurt, the Strawberry Banana Smoothing Yogurt Hair Mask. And why I said this a little bit different is because that's not what's listed on the card. The card says this is the Project Beauty, which is the Hairgurt, Project Beauty Smoothing Yogurt Shampoo. And I got a hair mask. Yeah. Wondering when your hair got a mind of its own? Try this creamy rich treatment with yogurt powder, prebiotics, quinoa, our botanical oil blend, and biokeratin specifically formulated to help tame unruly, frizzy, dry hair and make friends with your hair again. I'm not even going to bother to read the tip because this is a hair mask. And what's interesting is it says, for best results, follow with the hair gert smoothing yogurt mask. And that's what I got. I don't know. If anyone else got a hair mask rather than shampoo, let me know in the comment section down below because that is not what's on the card. Okay, the next item covered in powder. I'm going to clean that up. Okay, so this is from Lunatic Cosmetics. It is a lipstick, I believe. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is a lipstick in Crypt Cream. There is the packaging. Okay, this says, this is the Lunatic Cosmetics Lip Slick Crypt Cream. Lunatic Cosmetics Labs Crypt Cream Lip Slick doesn't kiss and tell. This highly pigmented liquid lipstick features a flirty coral hue that applies sexy and opaque. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. I'm not sure that I have... Oh, it smells like mint. I'm not sure that I have any lipsticks this shade. It's pretty. Okay. All right. 2 more things in here. This... I'm sorry. It is such a mess. Like, completely covered in that blush. Completely covered in that blush. Okay, this is from Zhang. It looks like it says Zhang Toi. Amazing Cosmetics. Okay. So this is an eyeshadow palette. If you can see it there. It does have texture on it. Like each of the little eyeshadows have little bumps. I'm not sure how well that's going to come across on the camera. But each of the eyeshadows have little bumps on the top of them. Okay, that... Let's try getting another swatch. Maybe I just didn't do the swatch well enough. No, it's the eyeshadow palette. There they are. So this brown right here is this last one, and it just kind of like disappears in the swatch. The gold and the silver aren't too bad, but the black is very, very powdery, and that brown one just kind of disappears entirely when you swatch it. But the gold and silver, the silver is actually really pretty, but the other 2 shades, not so much. Okay, this is the Amazing Cosmetics Zhang Toi eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow quad is designed with 4 complementary shades and finishes to give you a multi-dimensional luxe look that screams runway ready glam. Yeah, I was holding it upside down, but anyway, not my favorite. All right, there's one more thing in here. I gotta get another makeup wipe because it is covered in shadow or blush. I'm sorry, there's 2 items in here. 2 items in here. All right, let me get this. So there are 2 face masks in here. This one is the I Don't Wanna Grow Up, and this one is the Pre-Party Prep. So there they are. All right, and the card says Masquerade 2 Sheet Mask, Pre-Party Prep, and I Don't Wanna Grow Up. You may be ready for a night of partying and celebration, but is your face? Create a perfect canvas for foundation application with your pre-party prep hydrating sheet mask that will brighten, prime, and energize. Go ahead, jump in the fountain of youth, and splash around. Whoever said you had to grow up anyway? Our I Don't Want to Grow Up hydrating sheet mask helps to lift, firm, and soften fine lines while nourishing your skin. So, all right, I'm going to close this box before I get any more powder all over my table in front of me. So I got the blush, just to recap, I got the blush that exploded on everything, the 2 sheet masks, the 4 palette eyeshadows, the lipstick, and the hair mask, which was supposed to be a hair shampoo. And the blush I'm not counting as a product because it exploded everywhere. So there's that. All right, Lola, I normally don't mind, but this month I'm really disappointed in. I mean, yeah. Bang Beauty must not press their products very hard, because I've gotten Bang Beauty products before in my beauty boxes and they've been exploded as well. Not every time. Sometimes I do get them and they're okay, but I have had Bang Beauty products before that were not okay. That were broken. So there's that. I don't know. Like I said, maybe they just soft press and they don't press it hard enough. I just don't know. But I'm not real happy with this box, mainly because of that. I also got the wrong product. I got the hair mask instead of the shampoo. The eyeshadow palette did not swatch very well. Yeah, I'm not real happy with this box. I mean, it's not the worst beauty box I've gotten, but it's definitely far, far, far from the best. So maybe I'm being too difficult. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I do read and respond to every comment. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!